Hello everyone, it's LMTX. I'm working on an IoT training to cover the solid foundations of designing and building IoT systems using the AWS cloud. Let me briefly explain what do I mean by the solid foundations. This course will explain the foundations of IoT services at AWS. It does not require any previous knowledge of AWS cloud or Internet of Things, IoT. I will share all needed knowledge during this course. We are going to build the solid foundations from the ground up. I will show how to design and build an IoT system in a secure way. In my examples, I will use techniques used in real-life production deployments of commercial IoT systems. In this course, I will use AWS Console to present the AWS services and talk about general AWS cloud concepts. But the deployment of our final system will be fully automated. You shouldn't do any manual changes in the configuration of your production system. Our system will be secure by design. I will present restrictive IAM and IoT policies to define permissions for every AWS service and device used in our system. The secure credentials management is crucial for any IoT system. We will build a solution that registers new devices and creates credentials in a secure, automated, production-ready way. That is what I mean by the solid foundations of IoT at AWS. Please let me know what you think about the proposed approach. Very brief introduction about me. I have experience in design and development of production industrial IoT and consumer IoT systems for major companies and for startups. I used to work in many roles as a project manager, team leader, solution architect, security auditor, and developer. If you would like to connect with me, you can find links to my social media at www.thingrex.com. Let's review the learning objectives. Use of the AWS IoT Core service to build an IoT system. Create and manage device credentials using the AWS IoT Core Thing registry. Set up a secure TLS encrypted MQTT connection between devices and AWS. Use Device Defender service to secure the IoT system. Analyze the connectivity issues using the AWS IoT Core Logs and CloudWatch. Analyze data generated by devices and act upon it using the AWS IoT Core Rules and Simple Notification service. Read and update device attributes, even if device is offline. This is the high-level overview of the IoT system you are going to build during this course. It might look complex, but at the end of this course, you will understand every component and will be able to customize it to meet your needs. Please be aware that the final architecture might be different in the released course. So what will you need to participate in this training? You need the AWS account, web browser, and time to watch lectures and experiment with this solution to gather hands-on experience. Thank you for your interest in this IoT training. Please let me know what do you think about it. Let me know if I should include any specific topics you would be interested in. Feel free to sign up to my newsletter at www.thingrex.com to share your feedback and receive latest news about this initiative. All the best, LMTX.